and welcome to my channel about paper crafting. Today I'm doing my first layout for October for the Collection Obsession series over at the Crafty Low or No Spend group, and I'm using the Tapestry of Time collection from Uniquely Creative, and these are the papers I've selected for the first layout. So I saw this map one in the collection and I knew I wanted to do a travel layout about how my parents always used to take us on holidays, every school holidays. We'd hook on the caravan, my nana's caravan before mum and dad bought their own, and we'd go somewhere in Australia for the school holidays, just about every school holidays. Christmas time, we would sometimes take the last couple of weeks, 3 or 4 weeks of school off as well. If we're going somewhere further afield like Western Australia or South Australia, we wanted to go for quite a few weeks, or maybe a week or two before, like your midterm holidays, we would take a week off either side. And I always remember getting projects from, as I got older, like as we got to high school, I'd get projects from the teachers to do and stuff like that. But this is about us seeing lots and lots of Australia because they'd hook the caravan on and off we'd go for a few weeks. And I loved it. It was fantastic. So this is a layout I wanted to do. I have the photos already and I've chosen this paper because it was perfect. So what I'm going to do is just get scrapping and speed it up. There'll be music over the top and you can just watch me create a page from scratch. Okay, here we go. okay, that's my finished page. So I am really happy with how it came out. This bit here is going to be for my journaling, which I'm going to hand write in. And the transparency frames were perfect to use as embellishments because my dad took a lot of photos and most of them were on the old slides. So I have boxes of my dad's old slides, and a lot of them of our family holidays. Sorry, bit tongue-tied. Yeah, so that is my page. I hope you have enjoyed it. Again, this is using the oh my god, I forgot the name. Tapestry of Time collection for Uniquely Creative. And this is my first layout for October's collection Obsession. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that notify bell so you know when I can't talk. Gosh. Hit the notify bell so you know when my next video goes up. Alright, thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.